Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO T1 Pro and let me share with you how to check IMEI number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check this number. We can use a secret code and we can also reach it by using the settings. I'll show you both, of course. So let's start with opening the dialer tab on the keypad because it is the place where you can enter the code, and it is *##06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Let me show you how to do it by using the settings. It will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will forget about it. So let's tap on the settings, then let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. And right here we have to enter the status. As you can see, after scrolling just a little bit, we can find the IMEI numbers for two different SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.